Why you shouldn't buy GoPro unless they change this. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'm going to talk about why you shouldn't buy GoPro this year unless they change one crucial thing. So I've been using GoPro for many years, and you can see that I have three of them, and in between I sold another two. Now I've been waiting for them to change one crucial thing which they do not do every year, and they keep changing the things which are really unnecessary and doesn't mean anything. So a sensor to a camera is like an eye to the camera, which captures light and that turns into pictures. And if you have a smaller sensor, your picture is going to be not that good. It's going to not going to be good in at night or in the dark, and that's the one thing GoPro is not changing. And in the meanwhile, all other action cameras like DJI or Insta360, they have already 1-inch sensor, but GoPro just refuses to change sensor. And they have had the same sensor for I don't know how many years, maybe 3-5 years. So if they do not change the sensor this year, do not buy GoPro, and do not buy until they actually change it, because I've been waiting for this for the past few years, and I have not bought any GoPro. But if they change sensor this year, then definitely I'm going to buy GoPro. So they are doing hardware upgrades, upgrades which really doesn't matter. For example, they upgraded this looking like this to this, which really means nothing, and they're just changing software, but they're not changing any hardware. So for that reason, my recommendation would be do not buy any GoPro unless they change the sensor, they make it bigger, and this is going to be a message for them that people are not going to buy GoPro because they're fooling everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.